All right, what's good? Gonna get into some back testing on the NASDAQ. We're currently sitting at a 76% win rate, about 1.2 R. So super solid. Win rate has gone up a ton lately. Why is that on the wrong side? Yes. Bang. Okay. So first things first, pull up news November 2024. I believe it's the 22nd. 9:45 as well as 10 a.m. Okay. Where's price at in the moment? Daily looks pretty bullish to me. Took out weekly low, pushed higher. Ooh. Okay, so currently we have this high, which is SMT'd, as well as this low, kind of the range we're in. I don't know if this is data. No, it doesn't look like it is. We have an SMT here. Price runs lower, violates here. Would like to see this get tagged into. That would be nice. I could definitely see longs playing out, especially if we have this sponsorship as well as this SMT. Oh, don't tell me these are equal. They're not. They're not. Okay. So SMT here. I want to take this. So currently we put in an SMT at this high. We're in a 3-minute, so you can't take it. This looks good if there's a SMT here. Pretty clean wick. As far as external gaps, we're not really hitting anything too like ideal as far as ES goes, but we are getting pretty strong candle here. Oh, we do have 9:45, which is here. Okay, this would be your inversion. I like this. I do like this. I'm gonna give this a shot. I like this hourly gap that we have edged. I like the liquidity we have below. I like the rejection as well. So give this a shot. We have this SMT. This high should be protected. So I'm gonna take this based off just the lows we have intact right here. Just take it for a 1R. Oof, that's kind of cooked, but break even's gonna be that hourly. Oh, we have news coming up, so 3/4 risk. Wow, this is gonna lose. Yep, this is gonna lose. Wow. Unless we can tag this 15-minute, I can break even for yes. Looking at our 10 a.m. closure, though, this is a very bullish closure, just being honest. So I will break even if we can tag that 15-minute right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna break even there. If we're gonna go, we should just run from here. I don't really see. I don't see too big of a reason for this not to shoot from here. Ah, please go lower. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I was about to say. Oh my goodness. Very close there. That was close to a loss, close to a break even, but I did end up catching 1R. So skip to the next day here. Yeah. Geez, that was close. All right, no news Monday. Really pushing higher. Obvious draw is going to be all-time high here. Very similar to the current conditions we are in. Now, what am I noticing? I'm noticing this NWOG has not gotten tagged. Now, as far as a place to reject to run it, it would probably be these highs. These are probably some sort of hourly high. Now, we could also just rip. There's no reason we have to go lower right now, but it would make more sense to get the shorts and then the longs. No news Monday, right? Yes, correct. Ooh, I really like shorts. The idea of shorts here looking pretty good. Even off this 5-minute, like, you don't have a key level, so obviously I can't take this. Yeah, not really a key level, so. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. Right now, we hit my key level being this high. We're probably in sort of some 30-minute gap, I'd assume. Yeah, just through this range. Not really anything super significant. And you're at all-time highs, basically. But if we do, which we do violate this 5-minute instantaneously, I'm going to take this short. Yeah, I'll give this short a shot. Simply because I am pretty confident that we want that new day opening gap. Yeah, I'll give this a shot. Right there. TP here. Same risk as last one. I would break even here. Would I break even there, really? We should flush through here. That is your 930 low. I wouldn't really want to see this reject from here, though. That's a thing. I do like the idea of the sell side. How protected is my stop with... We don't have 10 a.m. opening anything. Do I want to break even here? I think I'm going to let this play. I'm just going to let this play out. Stop here. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Break even there would not have mattered, but pretty simple idea here. Needed ES to be in something. NQ was rejecting out of this 4-hour wick. ES finally took out all these highs. I know this isn't in a 4-hour gap, but these are smooth highs on a 4-hour time frame, which you get a clear reaction to. And obviously my draw below is about as clean as it gets. You have a new week opening gap that is having relative equal lows below it with London lows, more lows. 930 adds to this liquidity. So this is quite literally your structure that you get, and then you get this instant 5-minute and then shorts to the ultimate new week opening gap draw. Very, very clean trade there. The only reason I didn't go 1% on this was simply it's a no news Monday and price is trading near all-time highs. So a lot of times with this, it's just better for me personally to not want to be in too heavy, because a lot of times shorts up here will just get ran. But I would ultimately expect something like this. I'd expect us to maybe dig a little lower in that gap and then longs. So we'll see heading in the next day. Yeah, so we dig in that gap. Looks like we're kind of rejecting out of it, but we're not rejecting anything very clean here. But obviously, I'm still going to be bullish. ES is holding this. The wicks are holding this very well. We have the all-time highs draw above. I like this manipulation wick. This rejection wick looks solid. Yeah, is that London lows? London sponsored by this hourly. Asia is sponsored by the new week opening gap on ES. Yeah, so for me in the moment, I'm going to be bullish towards this wick. I want to see this wick get targeted. I just need to see, what do I need to see? I need to see this get souped on ES. These equal lows are very sus. If we can soup that and get longs, I would like that. So Tuesday we have 10 a.m. red folder. Okay. Come on, ES, you can take it. I just need ES to take those lows. Looks like this short's gonna play, but yeah, not what I would want. Ooh, hold on. 5-minute cont. 30-second inversion, CISD. Okay, if we can get a good close through this, I'll take it. Just give me a strong 30-second closure. Oof. Doesn't look bad. 945 Devil's Mark is sus. Do I want to take this? I would honestly rather just wait for a better continuation. We have everything we need to for this trade to be valid. We got that soup of that low. We have the SMT. We have the 5-minute continuation. I think here I just could see a resweep. I don't love this. I wish this didn't hesitate and we just got the close. Okay, so it would have been a break even anyways. Yeah, okay, so this is what I'm talking about when I say I want to see a simple continuation higher. We still have this draw. Ultimately, we're going to go here if I had to guess. So if we could get some sort of 5-minute continuation, that would be really nice. Another SMT gets made here with a data low. This one I don't like as much. I feel like we're adding too much here. I would ideally like to see 10 a.m. push lower and then get a long towards this data wick here. That would be really clean. Why is ES going lower and NQ isn't? Okay, there we go. So there's your soup of that data low. Ultimately, oh, we did sweep that. I did not see that. Okay, so we get a sweep here. Highest time frame in this leg is going to be this 2-minute. I'm going to give this a shot. I don't like these though, I can't lie. Especially because it's not SMT'd. Framework wise, this is everything you want. Just why do we have perfect equal lows right here? We did soup the data low. We are inverting the 2-minute. 10:30 is about to open. Give me one more candle. Okay, yeah, I'll take it. Stop's just going to be here, to be honest. If we go here, I would assume this is wash. So I'm going to target. Honestly, I'm way more bullish than bearish here, so I'll break even at the data high. Yeah. Looks good. Framework wise, this looks really good. Oof. Okay, this should deliver now. We got the 2-minute, we got the strong closure, the bullish closure here. If we were gonna come down here and hit these lows, we would have did it. We wouldn't have got this candle. So I am gonna just hold this until there. Beautiful. So break even at the data high. Now, this looks like way too... It did sweep. It did sweep, so you have to count that. But yeah, I'm going to hold this for that high. Ah, break even of hell. Let's see how this plays. Maybe a resweep along. ES is kind of doing its own thing. NQ is just fuck all. Yeah, that sucks. Sheesh. Okay. Framework I would expect till tomorrow is going to be this. Okay, so we kind of get it. We just didn't have enough volume to... we got the SMT here. That's why it paused. Okay, so Wednesday the 27th of November, we have 10 a.m. Day before Thanksgiving, 8:30 and 10 a.m. red folder. Got it. Still bullish. Can't really be bearish here. Just I would want to see this get swept. That's ideal. That is your 4-hour ITL. No SMT there also, I believe. Yeah, no SMT. This could really be your draw. You have the SMT here. I don't just want to pattern trade all-time highs because right now, what is price telling me? It's telling me we have relative equal lows. We have a bearish SMT. London is sponsored by an hourly, which gives us a push, creating relative equal lows. We respect another hourly and then violate a bullish fair value gap. So this looks as bearish as it could get, to be honest. This is the only thing that's not that bearish. So yeah, we'll mark this out, but I definitely see shorts playing here to this low at least. Oh my god, dude, are you serious? Oh, this is setting up for longs though. Wow, this is setting up for longs. Okay, yeah, there was nothing there to take. Don't tell me we make equal lows. Wow, not like this, right? Surely not like this. I can't take this. The key level's terrible. I don't like ES's sponsorship at all from this. I don't like this high. Yeah, not my type of trade, but yeah, just instant stop out. I need ES to have more of an answer here. Because right now ES is just stalling, bouncing between whatever it wants to. So I'm gonna wait. I need something obvious. My bias fried. It looks like we're just gonna... Well, actually, I was bearish, but I didn't expect this to go this low. But it looks like we're just gonna dump. Yeah, super bearish close. 50 points away from that. Okay, I mean, yeah, we're probably just gonna sell off. This looks nice. Actually, no, it doesn't. This does not look nice, actually. The only thing that looks good about this is the LR. We've dumped 220 points today. Ooh, what's your draws? What's your immediate draws? You have a 15-minute, you have a 3-minute that you're inside of, which closes at the 50. Yeah, this isn't worth it. This is not worth trading. Yeah, would you look at that? It loses. It's just not worth it. You have to break even at the 15-minute immediately. It's no point to even take this. Not to mention your entry is at 10:45. 10:45 opens low. You have no external key level. If we had hit this, like here's a point where I could see price going from, is if we hit these two levels and then get longs. Because at least this is a key level to tag and then rip from. But for now, I don't see longs until those get hit. Bro. Exactly what I just fucking said. Damn, PM cooked. Oh my god, okay, well now it's bank holiday. Next day. This is the last day of November? It is, okay. No news Friday to end out the month. Previous day low. Kind of just chilling right there. Doesn't have to really get hit to be real. I'm more bullish here. We don't. I would like ES to actually tag this. Because ES is not in the midst of nothing right now. So we swept out this low. We came up, got an instantaneous rejection. Telling you what? Telling you we're probably bearish on ES still. 5-minute death candle. Yeah, this is going to be my structure for the day. I want to see us open lower right here. I want to see us open. If we could get this and shorts, I would take that. But I'll also take the longs to then follow through to London, Asia. I think that looks really clean. So let's see what we do. Open does not take that out yet. Okay, open takes that out. Never mind. Nothing for me to take yet. Do I want to take this? We have 2 minutes till the closure. And it does close. I'll take the con. I'm assuming this gets broke even. Yeah, so there's your break even. I still... Oh, you would have had to break even at the hourly anyways. Yeah, I don't think I do like shorts from here. I just don't like how... Here's the thing with shorts. You have draws higher. We have all the reason in the world to go higher, but I don't see that happening unless ES takes out some sort of liquidity. Right now, ES is delivering from nothing, and if we respect this bearish gap right here and we get some sort of short, that's telling me what? It's telling me we probably are going to make that run on ES to go lower. So that's just the way I'm looking at it. We have a 5-minute inversion that is going to be our condition here. And it looks like we might just be bullish and not need to take that low. Brutal. So brutal. Wow. Okay, so fuck that low. Looks like all-time highs is the fucking draw. Dang, that's unfortunate. I do wish ES could have got something. NQ looked great. Gotta keep it real with that. NQ looked really good. Did we have an internal SMT here? We didn't. Man, I don't really love it. I just look for ES to have some sort of true manipulation, which it lacked completely there. So buy side here. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna expect just continuations. That's all you can really look for in a situation like this. You're at all-time highs, you're rejecting the 4-hour, you're showing no signs of slowing down. So very simple idea is just wait for this 15-minute to open. I don't even think we get a pullback to that. $30-minute has opened also there. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. If it's a no trade day, it's a no trade day. I'm just not longing up here. This is not a good long. Please resweep. No. mean, what do you expect me to do here? This probably works, but it's 1140. There's no point to take that. And yeah, it doesn't work. We come up, we resweep, go lower ultimately, and then make equal lows. So ES is at all-time highs now. ES hit all-time highs, rejected from a 4-hour, instantaneous push higher. So this is pretty free bias as well heading into this day. I'm gonna be bullish towards this high. Really no reason to not just continue the move, really. So also it's December 2nd, so first day of December, 10 a.m. red folder. Let's see if we can open. Okay, just open higher and take all my draws. Let's go. Holy shit. Yeah, just take all-time highs. I don't even want to get in, to be honest. Just take all-time highs, please. This weak ass trade. This weak ass pattern trade. I would never take this shit. I know someone would take this though, for sure. Someone would cope. Oh, we got the SMT at 930. But failed to see all of this below you, and I bet it works too, to be honest. My idea of not taking this is simply you have one singular high you're targeting. You did hit the 5-minute, but look at this range. Ultimately, this range is huge. Yeah, so, and it works. That shit is a pattern trade. In my opinion. I would want to see ooh, this looks like a good hourly. So something I'm taking note of right now is it's gonna be this hourly that we're about to open. ES has swept all-time highs. It's gotten an internal raid, as well as we took. Oh, we're not even close to that high actually. We'll see. We'll see how 10 a.m. opens. 10 a.m. opens higher. ES lacks key level here. NQ though has a 15-minute. What if we get a resweep? Ooh, ooh. Oh, is this a fucking bank holiday? Oh, this is a 10 a.m. data wick. Wait, why did I not peep that? Okay, this is actually a really clean DOL. Son, I want to take this. like I feel like this works. This is just kind of one of those intuition trades. Yeah, like this is gonna work. Surely this is gonna work. We mitigated everything above. We're about to open a 5-minute and 3 minutes. Yeah, I'll take this. I do see this working. If not, I'm gonna take the re-entry with full risk. So this is kind of a setup where I'm late into it, but the draw is still there in my eyes. 30-minute as well as 10 a.m. low. Yeah, I think this is nice. My justification for taking this is we have the SMT, we have LR on ES, we have violated this range. What we need to violate, we've tagged a 3-minute, rejected from it, 2-minute rejected, 1-minute rejected, and then we get a 30-second and 2 candles. So take this here. If this does give us a stop raid, I'm honestly fine with taking a reentry. Okay, there's your break even. Son. Okay. Okay, bro. I was about to say. Nice little 1 hour trade to end the week. 3 minute continuation there, just to that data low 30 minute. It's obviously a good draw. I would assume we do go lower simply because that hourly seems to be our draw. Oh, NQ is about to make its own hourly. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, NQ has its own hourly here. Maybe we go to that 5 minute and get shorts to it. Oh my god, am I him? Reject. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm washed. Surely this hourly gets tagged, right? Okay, fucking next day. Jeez. It's actually a good draw for Tuesday. But I'm gonna end it there. That was pretty good. I didn't take a loss, so it took 3. Damn. Was the 21st the first day? The 22nd was the first day. So we went 3-0. 3-0 with 1 break even. And did that break even save me? I forgot. I'm pretty sure that break even did save me. Let me just make sure. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that was a break even on the data high. I remember this now. So ultimately it did save me. We wanted to resweep for those lows, which made sense. So, yeah. So pretty clean week. Um Finishing out this month, looking at how much percent gain. I was risking about 0.7 per trade. So we made 6%. So really, this is like a 10% month if I'm risking my full 1% every trade. But undefeated month. 4, 5, 6, 7 wins. 7 wins, 4 break evens. Yeah, we've been cooking. Damn. 76% win rate. Almost 77. This is the highest I've ever had it. So super fire. I'm gonna post this actually. So bet.